Welcome to today's edition of Crypto Corner at InvestorIdeas.com. News on what's driving the cryptocurrency market. Hello everyone, this is Sam Mowers here, and welcome to episode 547 of the Crypto Corner podcast. For news today, MicroStrategy has bought another $15 million in Bitcoin. SBI's Morningstar will continue its XRP shareholder benefits, and Argo Blockchain has led funding for Pluto digital assets. Just before we get into the show, however, a quick reminder that if you enjoyed this podcast, please feel free to share it or leave us a review. And I also recommend checking out some of the other podcasts on InvestorIdeas.com. Some of these include the Clean Tech and Climate Change podcast, as well as the Cannabis podcast. Both of those will bring you up to speed on the latest stock news and trends in their respective spaces. MicroStrategy Incorporated, which trades on the Nasdaq under the ticker symbol MSTR, has announced the acquisition of another $15 million US in Bitcoin. The company's CEO, Michael Saylor, tweeted, quote, MicroStrategy has purchased an additional 262 Bitcoins for $15 million in cash at an average price of $57,146 per Bitcoin. As of March 12, 2021, we hodl 91,326 Bitcoins, acquired for $2.211 billion at an average price of $24,214 per Bitcoin. End quote. Cointelegraph reports that Morningstar, a financial information services subsidiary of Japanese financial giant SBI Holdings, which trades on the OTC under the ticker symbol SBHGF, has resolved to continue its XRP shareholder benefits program. An excerpt from the article says that, quote, the new dividend payout option comes as part of the company's year-end reward program to thank its shareholders for their continued support in addition to interim shareholder benefits. Under the program, Morningstar will provide XRP rewards of 2,500 Japanese yen, or $23 American, units per 100 shares owned by shareholders as of March 31st, 2021. End quote. SBI has maintained support for XRP and Ripple amid the latter's legal uncertainties with regard to the SEC in the U.S. Back in October 2020, SBI Holdings CEO Yoshitaka Kitao indicated that Ripple has made Japan the most promising candidate as a new headquarters should it have to leave the U.S. Argo Blockchain, which trades on the LSE under the ticker symbol ARB, led funding for crypto venture capital firm Pluto Digital Assets in the latter's latest $40 million funding round. The press release indicates that Argo Blockchain maintains a 25% stake in Pluto with an investment of approximately $10 million. Pluto's director Atif Yaqub explained, quote, this is a period of unprecedented opportunity to fill a void in the London markets, bringing a blend of traditional and crypto venture. We are delighted with the results of the fundraise, which was heavily oversubscribed, and thank our existing shareholders for their support and welcome our new investors. The funds give us the firepower for an aggressive push to become a leader in decentralized technology investment. We're already engaged with an epic constellation of projects in the digital asset space and look forward to helping them bring their vision to fruition. End quote. That does it for today's Crypto Corner. If you would like to be a guest or sponsor for this podcast, contact InvestorIdeas.com. Investor Ideas reminds all listeners to read our disclaimers and disclosures on the InvestorIdeas.com website. And this podcast is not an endorsement to buy products, services, or securities. Investors are reminded all investment involves risk and possible loss of investment. To hear more InvestorIdeas.com podcasts, please visit InvestorIdeas.com/audio. And a reminder, you can also hear our podcasts on Apple Podcasts, Audible, Spotify, TuneIn, Stitcher, Spreaker.com, iHeartRadio, Google Play Music, and most audio platforms available.